In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add rating field in Contact Form 7. First, you need to install and activate Contact Form 7 plugin. I've already installed it. Now, if you want to learn how to install plugins in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. You also want to install and activate the Contact Form 7 star rating with Font Awesome plugin. After that, go to Contact and click on Contact Forms. Here you can edit an existing form or create a new form. Now, let me edit the field label here. To add star rating field, simply add it from here. In the pop-up, you can configure various field-related settings. You can even add default values. You can set minimum and maximum values as well. Once everything is in place, simply click on Insert tag. Remove additional headers, if any, under Mail tab. Once everything is in place, let's save the form. Now let's view the form. To do so, I'll go to Pages and we'll edit the existing page that contains the form. Now let's preview the form. You can see the rating field has been added to the form successfully. And this is how you can add the rating field in Contact Form 7. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.